In every manufacturing industry, from pharmaceuticals to textiles and food processing, energy is the heartbeat of production. But in many plants, fuel is still fed manually, a process that's unsafe, inconsistent, and inefficient. Manual feeding not only risks worker injury, but also affects combustion quality, leading to unstable temperatures and poor boiler efficiency. To solve these challenges, Steamax Envirocare introduces the Auto Fuel Feeding Kit, a complete automation solution designed for all types of biomass boilers. Steamax provides automated fuel handling solutions like the Briquette Crusher, bucket elevator, and screw feeder, each offered as standalone customizable units based on space and fuel type. The crusher ensures uniform fuel size, while the elevator and feeder enable smooth and controlled fuel feeding into the boiler. With Steamax Auto Fuel Feeding Kit, industries experience improved efficiency through uniform combustion, labor and time savings by eliminating manual feeding, constant boiler performance with stable temperature control, enhanced safety for plant workers, and fewer downtimes for uninterrupted production. The system is compatible with a wide range of fuels, including pellets, astillas, wood chips, sawdust, and crushed briquettes, making it adaptable for every industry. At Steamax Envirocare, we believe automation is not just about technology. It's about empowering industries to operate cleaner, safer, and smarter. Because when efficiency meets innovation, the future turns sustainable.